What's going down, Blender fans? So this video is all about just tidying up the final details, adding the little bits of cherry onto the cake, really, and then we're done. And then we're going to start probably texturing before we go on to the torso, so on, so forth. So let us begin. I'm just going to select that bit there and put on a solidify modifier. Oh gosh, hold shift down. Auto smooth. Only the rim. I don't know, about 3 mil. There you go. Sweet as a nut. Right. There's all sorts of stuff we can do. All sorts of stuff. Let us do, on the top look, it looks like there's a set of runners that's aligned with this screw. So let's put that in now. Loads of different ways we can do this. But I think if I selected those two, which basically aligns with where it's going to go, I think insert. Has that gone too far back? Roll with it. Let's roll with it. Boundary, no. It's got to look good from every angle. And then let's just isolate it. And then let's use our extrude region tool. You can never see what you're doing with that on. Let's turn that off. Delete that face. All right. All right, all right, all right. So are you thinking what I'm thinking? I think you're thinking what I'm thinking, that looks crap. That's a demonstration in how not to do it. Just undo all of that. All right, so many different ways. Okay, and I'm going to show you a really, really dirty way of modeling. But sometimes, okay guys, it's unavoidable what I'm about to do. Do not judge me. What circle? Oh, okay. Yeah, muff. Put the earmuff under helmet. This is going to be absolutely filthy. Oops. Oh no. New collection, rubbish. Alright, skull cap. Dot. Orig. Let's just call it OG. Shift E. And let's go skull cap dot cut. And let's put that one back into helmet. I think you can probably see where I'm going with this. Now this bit is undoable, what I'm about to do. I've done it. I've just applied. Oh, hello. Apply with the Control A, apply the mirror, apply the subdivision. Auto smooth. That is now a filthy bloody mesh. Okay. Don't judge me. But sometimes these things need to be done. Now, where's our helmet reference? There. See? You lot. You're not going to like this very much, so please forgive me. Don't forget, this is not going to be seen close up. I've left God knows how many sides there. Do I care? No. Press the delete key on the keypad to zoom in on what you're doing. Yep, I know, I've done it. I've done it. Delete faces. I know. I know. We can probably cut like that, enter, and dissolve edges. That's now a 4. Shade auto smooth. Just increase the angle on the auto smooth. Hard edge. We don't like hard edges, so tab, alt click, shift alt click, shift alt click. Oh gosh. All right. Control, 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 control. Right, watch this for a tool. Control B. Bevel. That many segments. 3. Is that offending anyone? It's up to you. I mean, you can, if it is offending you, you can take these, right? Oh gosh. You could take, yeah, let's take that. No, let's just take that, and that, and you can control B. And probably 2. But I'm not going to. I'm just showing you what you can do. I might do that. Oh God, will I? Go on then. It's getting ugly now. And this is destructive modelling. There's probably a term for it. I can't remember what the term is. But you know what I mean? This is it. It's done for life. So ugly, but yet effective. You to you, merge at last. You to you, repeat that. You to you, repeat that. I mean, this is pretty futile. Disgusting way to model this is. Merge at last. It was inevitable. And you know when you get to this phase and you're modelling like this, it's the beginning of the end. Honestly, don't tell anyone that I'm doing it like this. It really is offensive. But as I said, look, you're going to be looking at it from this distance. It really isn't a problem, so make a comment below if I'm being bad. But it is the way. Right, I'm going to delete all those. Oh, hello. Hello. Delete faces. Control L, select linked, delete vertex. Add modifier, mirror. Guilty. Alright. Guilty. But look how great it looks. let's make some split lines. We have some topology left here. I mean, the very fact that it's going to be different material means we can probably get away without doing it, but let's do it. Let's do it anyway. C. Oh God. Oh my God. C. Split lines. Solidify. Just the rim. 2 mil. Auto smooth. Alright, I like it. Solidify. Only the rim, 2 mil. Auto smooth. Looking really good. Alright. So what we can do here, should we do it by hand? Let's do it by hand. Turn the reference off so we can actually see what's going on. This I'm actually going to fold underneath like that. Like that. So it looks like plating, if you know what I mean. So let's take that lot. Just fold it up inside. GX. Not too much. Let's put a solidify on that. About 2 mil. Only the rim. Auto smooth. Should that be a bit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's about that. And let's maybe tighten up that. Looking good. Looking good. Looking really good. All right. Solidify. 2 mil. Shades. Auto smooth. Only the rim. Because that's who we are. Good. There's this bit coming out of the ear. So let's make that. Loads of different ways of doing this. But let me think. What happens if I was to take you and you? So what, for starters, delete those vertex. Oh my god. I select them in X-ray mode. Delete. Add modifier. mirror. Oh no, it's already got a mirror. Also smooth. Well, let's do it in Z as well. Oh, that's crazy. Interesting that it's got 90 degrees on there. Apply rotation. Whilst I'm here, always apply your scale. Trust me on that one. Z. Let's make that scale Z 0 without proportional editing on. Scale Z 0. U to U. Extrude region. We can do with a massive cleanup. This is often the case when you're doing mirror. That lot, delete faces. What the hell is going on here? Delete face. Let's put in some more topology about there. U and U merge at the last one. Sweet as a nut. Let's put on grid snap, extrude X out to U. There to there, F. Control 2. Righty tighty. I want to be able to see that whilst I work, so let's turn that on. Control R, add some topology, get rid of our snap for a moment. Control R. Quite like it. I can tighten up if you wish. Not quite circular enough. Oh my word. That'll do. Totally winging it. Nice. Rotation. It looks like it's about there. I'm going to leave that. That needs to be tightened up. That's looking good. All right, now one more thing to do. How's the time looking? I think we're okay. These little screws just adds a nice bit of detail. Save our work. Let's turn the reference off. All right. Shift C. And that brings us back to. Do you see how far away? You look at the scene. So when I was moaning earlier about my destructive modelling, do we care? No. So let's make a little screw. In the UK, we call that a flathead screw. Little circle like that. Tab into edit mode. 2 for edges. Extrude. Z. I don't know about there. Or whatevs. Looks like it's pretty flush. Face. Grid fill. Let's get it with the offset. Ooh. Like that, so it's just all lined up with the axis. Forward space to isolate, shade smooth, auto smooth I should say. Now let us to only work on one side of it. X-ray mode, delete vertex. Modifier, mirror. Oop. Just on the Y. Look, there you go, scale. But I'll sort that out in a minute. 2, U, scale, Y, 0, Bosch. This time, control, 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 extrude. So, I mean, honestly, you're going to see these from such a distance. I'm not even going to chamfer these goddamn things. Right, we'll call that screw you, not you, love you, because you've subscribed to my show, or channel, whatever you call it. Kind of new to this. Alright. See how it says? So underneath, over here, look, you've got your object. I always think it's like a Fabergé egg or like boxes within boxes. This is the top level box here. And then underneath, inside that box, you've got another box, in this case a circle, and that's your data. In which case, there's edit mode. So that's in here. It's always a good idea to name this. I'll show you why. If I was to just copy this, Shift D on the Y. Okay, and I just copied it. See, it's screw.001, that's screw. So if I was to take that and move it, it's only happened to this one, not this one. But watch this. If I say, well, actually, I don't want screw 001, I want it to be screw. Now, if I edit this, it'll do it on both, because they're sharing the data. Does that make sense? But whilst they're sharing the data, if I go to the top level, and I change this, do you see it's happening independently, because it's the top level. I know that doesn't make sense, but it will. So, delete that. Apply, which is Control A. Rotation and scale. Do that an awful lot. Watch this. Where's my bloody helmet gone? So I've got the screw selected. And I want to put it there. So I'm going to go Shift right click, Shift S, selection to cursor. That's a big old screw, baby. Delete key on the number pad. Is that got its normals the wrong way around? Oh, they're fine. Okay. Oh my god. About there? What did you say? Alright. Apply, rotation and scale. So, I can't duplicate linked, Alt D. So if you Alt D instead of Shift D, it will also duplicate that, which is a great idea. Now let us try and put this in some sort of, instead of global, let's go local. In some sort of matching that arc there, front view. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There. This is a handy tool. If your view like this does, if your view clips off, focal length start, let's go 1mm. So I can see what the bloody hell's going on. Basically it just clips the camera. See how accurate this is, guys? Blender is an artistic package. All right. I like that. He's got one here. So Alt D. What the hell? Screw. Alt D. Let's just zero out those. And let's put you there. And let's start to put you into place. It's just a case of farting around till you find it. That'll do. And let's just turn it a little bit. How are we looking? Gosh. Just change the viewport there to whatever that mode is. Material preview mode. Just so we can get some shadows going along the place. I like that, they're looking pretty good. And he's got a screw on his jaw. The mandible. Alt D. Let's go back into this mode. Where do we want it? There. Shift S. Selection to cursor. Delete on the keypad. Or not delete, full stop, whatever it is. Align this baby up. Oh gosh. All right. Bit of a turn. Okay. So obviously we want to put those onto the other side. So we've got screw, screw, screw. Let's add another mirror modifier. Yes to X, I think. Mirror object, forehead. Now, I wonder what happens. Oh gosh, if I select that, and I select that, and I select that, and I go Control L, and I go to copy modifiers. Yeah, it bloody works. Saves a job. I like it. All right. Now all we've got to do is put a surface behind. So, you know, when you look through the split lines and through the jaw, we've got some stuff there, some dark stuff. See you in the next video.